So today a friend of mine invited us to over to the GrandScape at the Colony, and we had a wonderful time having lunch and then went to the game shop at Andretti to have some fun with the boys. And I tell you, it was lovely. I do hope that you will have a wonderful time watching the video in its entirety. Remember to go ahead and subscribe to my page here at Just Plus, where I'm sharing content that is about traveling, just having fun. And remember to just leave a comment and give the video a thumbs up, a like, and a share. And as I say, just turn the notification bell on so whenever I post, you can be notified of those videos as well. So we're going around to this game section to try and play some games with the kids. Long hair going on my face. And then from there, head home. Just had some food and it was good. Had some sweet and sour. It wasn't sweet and sour, some orange chicken. It was alright. I'll have a little bit of a ice cream later on. And today's like my cheat day. So yeah, we'll have to work real hard to get that off in the next couple of days. Alrighty. So we're in the Andretti indoor karting and games. Zarian? Sorry. Oh, we're just up instead. Alright, so I just get the come this side, not too far. Come this side first. Alright. So we're just waiting. So just get my card.
Is this broken? What's broken?
Over that side is where they do the go-kart. So there's a lot of persons lined up to do go-karting today. I'm not going to. Let's go over this side and see. You're not going through? Huh? It's the same thing. And get a card from this machine. What's up? We're just waiting for everybody to get ready. Come this side.
Sorry, sue me.
Can I borrow anything?
Huh? where them want to start. It's already gone in before? I know who do it. Craig?
My Lord came on the kids and the kids that do a small person one.
So we're gonna do the wafer. After I know me that see turn red. I say turn red. Huh?
Right, baby. Your mommy just don't know what she had do.
What a sin thing. What a sin. So she say, huh? What?
So you can, so usually people buy them game cards and then do the separate one.
That's what she has said.
That's what I just did. But you can't put both on the same card.
That's what she said. You can actually do, but most people don't want to come over and just pay for. So they say, oh, I thought when we put on the money is to pay for games in here. I don't know. What are you doing, Zorian?
Get back in there, player two.
How the game done? Swipe it.
Guys, look, you see this? Let's go down.
Oh.
Press start to begin. Player one, go.
Yes, so this is what it is like in, I think it's called Andretti or something like that. So the little kiddos are having fun. The one you're not disturbed by the sound. Am I going to over my ears? Huh?
That was too much on the road.
What's that?
There's too much on the road. Reload. Kill it. What do you mean, Scott? Kill it. Shoot. Good job. Shoot that thing. Shoot it. Reload. That's reload. Shoot them, Mario. Shoot them. You're right. You'll get murdered. Don't give it. Y'all did.
Did.
Austin, kill that one. Kill it.
Press the yellow one to reload, Zorian.
Reload. There you go.
Yellow button in the middle to reload.
There you go. You're winner each other. Reload, boys. Reload. Austin, reload. Are you reloading? Okay.
Can't believe the rest of the people don't play all day.
It's fine. You don't like playing games?
Yeah.
Where about the ball?
You don't keep from here, so? I'll keep you there, oh. Listening time. Look up Zarian. Hold start. You're in London. Ready, go. Where you learn to drive? What's this one? Swipe it. It didn't go through? What's that? Trouble reading your car. Saying the same thing.
Because it's playing right now?
Huh?
Or is it a
It working?
Shoot, y'all, shoot, shoot.
Yeah. work for Dorian.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Dorian is on the left of a gangster.
Get it. Get it.
Green. And circles.
There you go. There you go. Where the circle at? Where the circle at? Right there. Ooh, okay. Go ahead, Zarian. You're not done. Get it. Get it. Circle. Everyone, in the truck.
In the trucks.
Still want to play Austin?
Kill it. Why you letting me kill it? Shoot it, Dorian. Shut it. Dorian gets murdered in the street. Shoot it, Dorian. Shoot. Give it green. Good job. That's where he
Why this game so long? Huh? So now when you earn more points?
Alright, next game.
You win 4 tickets, what's that?
You spent 4 and 1. You spent 10 and 1 4. The net loss.
Huh?
It's a net loss. Come here.
in the water. This means like when we go to Atlantis. Yes, we went to no, as in Atlantis with the SeaWorld. SeaWorld, Florida? No, Florida. SeaWorld. We're going through the little ride. When? I want to do a road trip, but sister want to come up, so we just say we don't want to go down there. A road trip, Alright. Road trip we're gonna do. And then now we can probably, let's see, the timeshare something. How are you doing, Zaria? Good. Enjoying? Sure? Are you scared? You gonna fall off? Going down. Huh? We go on the roller coaster, Manta. Never again. And we're finished.
Good job. Was that fun?
Oh my word, I can't believe I put on full breeze.
Please make your selection.
Wow.
Hang in there, bumpy ride.
This was a ride to remember. It feels good.